Hi everyone, this is YUNA. I'm a current member of the Denver Broncos Cheerleaders. This is my fourth season on the team. I joined the Sideline Prep Pro Cheer Playbook program in 2020. I have learned so many things from Sideline Prep. Today, I'm going to teach you a routine of country pose style. Let's get started. We're gonna starting off with your left leg, left, right, and your arms goes to cross and lobby. So this is L1 and down on 2 and roll up on 3, 4. And you're gonna step to the side 5 and 6. Your arms go to the right, lobby, and cross. From here, you're gonna jump right, left. So 5, 6, 7, 8. And your arms go to lasso on your head. This is 7, 8. So 5, 6, lasso, 7, and you down on 8. Let's do from the beginning. You're gonna step left to right and down, up, 3, 4, step to the side, 6, lasso, 7, 8. This lasso, this is right and back, and you're gonna touch your hip. This is 8. Let's do one more time from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, lobby, cross, lasso, 7, 8. From here, you're gonna roll up on 1, 2, and head roll 3, and punch up on 4. This is 1, 2, head roll 3, and 4. Your arms, right arms go to the punch, and your left arms go lobby 1. And switch your arms 5 and 6. Your left arm go lobby, and your right arms, you're gonna touch your ear. This is 4, 5, 6. And feet together on 7. And then your hips go to 7, right? 8. So this is from here, roll up on 1, 2, and 3, 4, switch 5 and 6, hips 7, 8. This part your arms go to grab your elbow and 7, 8. It's like melting down, and your hips go to right and left. Let's do from the beginning. You step left to right and down and 3, 4, and lobby, cross and 7, down and 1, 2, head roll 3, go up, switch 5, 6 feet together 7, 8. Let's do one more time with this slow count. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're gonna turn to the right. 1, 2. Your legs go to right and left and jump out. Your arms go to T. And this is 1 and 2, jump out, 3 and 4. Your arms go like a check mark and switch 4. Sit and right and shift your weight left. Boom, boom. So from here, 7, 8, you're gonna turn to the right, left, jump out, 3, 4. And you're gonna snake to the right, 5, 6, and 7, 8. This is up, up, down. So from check mark, the right and left, snake to the right, and up, up, down. Good. Let's do from here. You just finished the last part. 7, 8, roll up 1, 2, head or 3, and punch up, back, and front, and 7, turn. 1, 2, jump out, 4, snake, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's do from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, down. 2, 3, 4. Step side, cross. 7, 8. 1. Head roll. 3. Punch up. Switch. 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn to the right. Jump out. Left snake. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. So this snake part, your arms like a push side of your body. So boom, boom, and push, and 7, 8. From here, we're gonna step to the back, right, boom, left, boom. So your legs go to the right, and sit, and left, and sit. And your arms go to cross, touch your shoulder, and T. Touch your shoulder, and T. And from here, you're gonna ball change, right, left. Step, back, right, left. Good. And your arms goes to shoulder, T, shoulder, T, 5. Grab your elbow, and you're gonna kick front, 6, 7. So this is step to the back, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. Round on 7. And knee down on 8. And the arms go front, cross, in front of yours. And pause. This is the last pause. Okay, let's do from you just finished snake part. Boom. You're gonna step to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Kick down, 7, knees down, and 1. Good job. Okay, let's do from the beginning with slow tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Head roll. 3, 4, switch. 5, 6, feet together. 8, turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, snake. 5, 6, and up, down. Step back, right and left. Ball change. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay, let's do one more time with normal tempo count. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1. Let's try with music. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Highway to hell is the road I'm on. I need to turn around before I'm too far gone. I'm never gonna make it on them streets of gold. I gotta quit living on a dead end road.
'Let's try one more time. Here we go. 5, 6, 7.
'Cause that highway to hell is the road I'm on. I need to turn around before I'm too far gone. I'm never
Great job, everyone! Did you have fun this routine? I hope you like it. Please post your video on your social media and tag Sideline Prep and tag me. If you want to get personal feedback from us, please submit your video. And thank you so much for joining me today. And see you next time.